что UNPC выпустила предупреждение о землетрясении в районе Печорска. В районе Печорска произошло землетрясение неизвестной силы, которое, очевидно, подняло в воздух пыль и обломки. Видимость практически нулевая из-за пыли и обломков. Срочно ищите укрытие под прочным строением. Теперь это оповещение будет воспроизводиться на английском языке.
The UNPSC has issued an earthquake warning for the Pechorsk area. An earthquake of unknown magnitude occurred in the Pechorsk area, which has also raised dust and debris into the air. Visibility is almost zero due to dust and debris. Urgently seek shelter under a sturdy structure.
This is a special UNPSC broadcast. You are in a place called the exclusion zone. You are the only one alive in there and you are unable to leave at the moment. If you look outside, you can see a dark orb in the sky. That is not the sun. You may seem alone. You aren't. Entities have formed from black ash and now roam around, killing anything in sight. If they look human, they aren't. They are out to kill you. Now, we need you to help the UNPSC. We need you to go outside and try and get information as to what is all out there. We left the needed equipment at your door. We know it's dangerous, but here's an odd bit of information: you can't die. Anyone within the exclusion zone can't die, they just respawn somewhere random. We've had 60 other explorers before you, but all have committed suicide the moment we rescued them from the zone. We're counting on you to get us the information you need. All other information is on a notebook in the box of equipment. Report all found information back to us. We believe in you, Explorer 61.